everyone, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if this is your first time here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in Japan. Every week I try to make a new video about my family's life here and how we live a little bit more sustainably. And one of the ways that we live sustainably is I try to purchase items from more eco-friendly brands. And so as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Lush haul video, which is a video that I do every single fall, and every single fall or autumn, whatever you want to call it, I look forward to it because I know that once Halloween comes, like all the other really fun holidays come, and then we get to Christmas, and then I get to make a Lush Christmas haul, and it's always really exciting. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. I do want to apologize first for not getting this up any sooner. I waited a little bit too long to order my products and they took forever to get here. So yeah, that's why this video is so late. But the good news is this video is going to come up on a Wednesday like it always does, and then you guys will have a bonus video actually on Halloween about a trip that Mr. and Little Man and I took. It's going to be a little bit spooky and I'm very excited about that. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure that you subscribe, and also know that if you're into Lush, I am going to be letting my Lush Christmas haul upload pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that as well. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. I can't wait anymore because I've been waiting almost a month to get these products and try them out, and I really want to take a bath like right now with some of these products, so that means I have to film the haul video so then I can take my bath. Last thing I should tell you guys is usually I do a little bit bigger of a haul than I'm doing this year, but because of the pandemic I'm trying to be a little bit more financially minimalistic, so I didn't buy as many products as I usually buy. So without further ado, let's get into these products because I can't wait. Okay, so the first product I'm going to show you guys I think was actually out last year, and that is the Pumpkin Bath Bomb. And it is adorable. It looks like a little pumpkin, and the scent is the same as last year, but I'm going to give it a sniff for you guys just because. Oh, yes, this smells so good. It always reminds me of like pumpkin spice plus oranges. I do have the little ingredient list here, so I'm going to read the ingredient list so that you guys can have accurate information about what the scent is supposed to be. So the main ingredients listed for pumpkin are cinnamon oil, lime oil, sweet orange oil, Sicilian Mandarin oil, and pumpkin powder. I swear it smells different. It just might be because it's been an entire year since I've smelled this at home without the other Lush smells around me, but oh my gosh, it just smells so good. It just reminds me of like a pumpkin spice bath. And I got not just one, but two, nope, just wait for it, not two, 3 pumpkin bath bombs because I have no self-control. And this is where we are right now. I also got one for Little Man. Since I tend to take Little Man shopping with me or pretty much everywhere that I go, he has developed a little bit of an obsession with Lush, and I think he likes to go to the store more than I do. So I'm not sure if I should be proud of him or if I should be worried about my pocketbook. Why don't you guys mull it over and then let me know in the comments if I should be proud or if I should be worried about my pocketbook, because I'm kind of both right now. Moving on to the next bath bomb that I want to show you guys that I am super excited about, and that is the Bat Art Bath Bomb. And it looks like this. Bat Art Bath Bomb is black, beautiful, and very sparkly looking. And I am a little bit obsessed with it. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to use this bath bomb because I just love it so much and how pretty it is. I think it would just look a really good decoration, but I will use it because of course I want to know what it's like to bathe. But let's give it a first little sniff. Guys, this is so good. To me, again, I think it smells like it has some orange oil in there and something really sweet. Like it's either anise or like it's almost smells sort of berry-y. I don't know. Let's check the list. It is green mandarin oil, okay, rosemary oil, and sage oil. Interesting. And nothing fruity at all. That's weird. Is my nose off? I wasn't just being weird. I actually was taught by a Lush employee at a store that if your nose is like overstimulated while you're shopping, if you just like sniff yourself, it helps to reset all of the nose stuff. It's kind of like coffee beans except free. So let's try it again. No, I still smell anise. I don't know why. It could be maybe like the rosemary and sage together plus the citrus kind of like tricking my nose, but it smells really nice. And I got not just one, but I actually got 2 of them for the same reason that I got 3 of the other one, because this one's for me and this one's for Little Man and I don't want to share. Now let's go on to the next product that I'm going to show you guys. Actually, this is my last and final Halloween product, but don't go anywhere because I do have a few other products in this haul that I want to show you because why the heck not? And that product is my favorite overall Halloween product that has ever come out. Quite possibly my favorite Lush product ever, but that's a really like difficult list to climb, and that product slash bath bomb I'm going to show you is the Lord of Mistral bath bomb. If for any reason I get really angry with you, if you can find me a Lord of Mistral bath bomb, especially in the off season, it'll be very difficult for me to not forgive you for whatever it was I was upset with you for. Or if you just want to be my friend, you should buy me one of these. Anyways, Lord of the Mistral bath bomb is the most amazing smell ever. I love it. I have a little bit of the shower gel left and I'm almost out, and I was gonna get the Boo shower slime, but when I priced it out, the shower gel is a little bit cheaper, so I'm just gonna buy another bottle of the shower gel when it comes about. But anyways, this is amazing, and it smells like black pepper and patchouli and goodness, and I can already smell it from here, but I'm just gonna smell it on camera so you guys can see how awkward my face is, because I know you guys love that. So this is just like the pinnacle of what Halloween smells like to me. Back in the day when I was younger, Halloween used to smell like cinnamon. Not anymore. To now, Halloween smells like patchouli and black pepper. It also has popping candy in here so that when it goes into the bath, it kind of like makes like bubbliness, and it's just a lot of fun. It's really cute. It has a little crown on it because back in the day, they used to find a random person during this festival and dress him up and call him the Lord of Mistral, so that's why it has this crown on the top. Anyways, I only bought one of them because last year at the Boxing Day sale, I bought way too many, and I still have a handful left, and I'm hoping that again for Boxing Day this year they'll have them, and if they don't, I'll just have to resort to eBay or something. But yeah, anyways, saving money, right? Now, if you guys are still sticking around, I do have a couple of other little products I ordered in the haul because I figured, you know what, I might as well just show them anyway. So I'll just quickly go through those and then we'll be done. Cool? Okay, so next product I want to show you is one of the staples in my skincare routine, and partially because I love what it does and how it feels, and partially because I just can't get over the smell. And this reminds me of Christmas, and I just love to keep the joy all year round, and that is the Therapy Massage Bar. I got 2 of them because I go through about 1 a month because I have a problem. And I have no shame, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate oranges because it has orange oil, and it also is made with cocoa butter, which kind of smells like chocolate, hence cocoa butter. So yeah, it's just so good and I love it, and I kind of want to eat them. For the record, to date I have never eaten one of these products. Well, I've never eaten a massage bar. I have eaten lip scrubs because you're supposed to. But anyways, now let's move on to the last and final product in my little haul, and I wasn't going to buy any more of these, but our family is going to go on a trip to Kyoto for a couple of weeks, and Osaka and Hiroshima, depending on if we have time, so I decided to pick these up anyway, and that is a little bottle of the Dirty Toothy tabs. Toothy tabs, I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They've kind of gone viral the last couple of years. They're just like a solid form of toothpaste. You take 1 tablet, put it in your mouth, wet your toothbrush, chew it, and then go to town brushing, and then spit and rinse like you usually would with toothpaste. And I like them for traveling because they're really lightweight and they don't make a mess if they kind of explode everywhere. Actually, I've never had these explode everywhere. And I also like that it's a really easy way when I'm traveling to know how much toothpaste I have left, because 1 tablet means that's 1 toothbrushing, and there are about 100, actually just kidding, there's 80 tablets in here, so these 80 tabs is going to be enough for the 3 of us to use the entire week and a half that will be in the Kansai region. So there's that. And with that, this box is not empty because it does have some Christmas products in it, so I am going to do that Christmas haul probably in a couple of days, but I have a lot to do before we go on our trip. So with all of that being said, we are done with our haul video. I know it was a little bit short. I hope that you enjoyed it anyway. If you liked what you saw today, which obviously you did if you watched all the way to the end, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.